Hello everyone, today I will talk about finding the greatest common divisor with Euclidean algorithm. The Euclidean algorithm is based on the fact that any value divides two numbers also divides the difference of these two numbers. Hence, the greatest common divisor of two numbers does not change if replacing the larger number with the difference of the two numbers. For example, 4 is the GCD of 28. The same number 4 is also the GCD of 8 and 20 minus 8, which is 12. We're repeating this process until the one number becomes 0. So we found the GCD is 4 for number 20 and 8. Okay, let's go to see the code. The calculation of the GCD can be implemented by a loop or recursion method. Here I show you both codes. In both codes, I keep the larger number as the first parameter. Besides, instead of subtracting one smaller number from the larger number at each iteration, I speed up the process by subtracting a multiple of the smaller number all at once. So the Python modular operator is applied for this kind of subtraction. Alright, that's all for today. See you next episode.